Hi everyone, I'm Lauren Boucher. I'm in the new kitchen. So today we're gonna make herb mustard potato stacks. It's another recipe from the Half Baked Harvest cookbook. It's really good. I'm just using one potato right now, and basically what I'm gonna do is use the mandolin, slice up the potato into 1/8 of an inch slices. That's the smallest one the mandolin goes. And then I'm gonna make a little delicious marinade. Stack the slices into this muffin dish and then bake it covered for 30 minutes and then uncovered for 20. So first I'm gonna preheat the oven to 400. I haven't used this oven yet. I don't really know how to use it. Okay, bake 400. I do know this oven beeps when it's ready, so a little different than my last oven. And so what you need, I'm gonna put some red chili flakes. You're supposed to use Parmesan. I don't have any Parmesan right now, and of course I just went to the store and forgot to buy it, so no Parmesan. About a tablespoon of mustard. I'm using Dijon and hot and spicy mustard. Some apple cider vinegar, salt, pepper, thyme, and oregano. So you're gonna need about 1/4 cup of oregano and then 2 tablespoons of thyme, a bunch of olive oil, about like half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I don't know if I'm really gonna measure. I might just measure with the spoon because I'm being lazy. Okay, first, slice the potatoes. And by potatoes, I mean potato. So I only have one. And be very careful when using the mandolin. I've been doing it for a while, so I'm pretty comfortable, but if you don't feel comfortable going that fast, just don't. Just don't go that fast. I'm gonna chop up some garlic, and you are supposed to spray this muffin sheet with stuff, so I'll have to do that too. So I'm gonna dice up this garlic as thin as I can. Oh shoot, I forgot to use my thing. I have like a garlic thing. Shoot, why did I totally forget about that? Whatever, 1 clove is pretty quick, so. Okay, garlic in the bowl. So half a tablespoon of vinegar. So I'll do like 1 thing of Dijon, 1 little squirt of Dijon, 1 little squirt of hot and spicy. You can do the grainy mustard too, which I like and I did last time. Oh, hopefully that's not too much. About half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Oh, whatever. Honestly, last time I didn't do enough toppings and some of the potatoes were dry, so I think the more you do, the better. So I said 1/4 cup of oregano. It's 1/8 cup because I'm halving the recipe. I don't know, this might be about 1/8 cup. I'm gonna leave a little bit. Yeah, fuck it. Put it all in. And then so it's, I don't know, 1 tablespoon of thyme, which is a decent amount. I like thyme. And then let's see how much, oh, we'll do a few red pepper flakes, not too spicy, but just a little bit. And then let's see how much olive oil. So 1/4 cup of olive oil, that's a lot. That's a lot, but it will be good. I'm gonna do that much for now. Some salt. You want a good amount. Oh, finished the salt. Some pepper. Okay, mix it up. This smells so good. I feel like you could dip bread in this and just be like, wow, that's so good. I'm gonna spray the muffin sheet. I don't know if we'll use all of them. I just feel like the spray just like gets into the air and I don't trust it. Okay, so it's all mixed up. Now I'm just gonna dip the potatoes in, and honestly, the more coated they get, the better. Just layer them. You can put a few in the mixture at a time, but because some are bigger, it doesn't always doesn't fit exactly. Last time I did end up cutting some, and you just keep layering them on top of each other. I think you put like 4 or 5 slices in each one, and make sure they're all coated really well in this. Holy shit, that's loud. in this batter, in this like mustard olive oil mixture. Just throw all of these in and try to coat everything. So get every last drop of olive oil and seasoning. Put a bit more in this guy. All right. So I'm gonna cover it and put it, oh my God. You could dip that mixture in bread. I'm sorry, this is kind of gross, but I love olive oil. So it took up seven muffin trays. Okay, wrapping this in tin foil, going in for 30 minutes. All right, I'm gonna bake them for another 20 to 25 minutes with the foil off. Yum, 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 yum. These came out so good. So I ended up, like I said, baking them covered for 30 minutes and then baking them for 25 without the tin foil on. And look at these. They're like, the edges are crispy. You know, I didn't layer them that much. You can definitely layer them more. Put the biggest ones on the bottom and layer them, but I kind of just threw them all in. Like, it's like a mix between a potato chip and mashed potatoes. And it's heavenly, it's herby, it's olive oily. Do you hear this crunch? They're so unreal. They look amazing. They taste amazing. You can eat them layered. Like, look at, oh shoot. Look at the bottom of this. Look how good that is. This like crispy chip. It's basically a potato chip. Homemade. So good. So good. Half-baked harvest. I just traded the Parmesan in for red chili flakes. So good. Would totally recommend. You need to make these yesterday. So, hope you have a great day. Sorry this is coming out late. Bye.